A Perth company has launched a revolutionary electric plane that could change the way we fly. It promises to bring down the cost of air travel and will soon be flying to Rottnest.
The future of air travel taking off right here in Perth.
This aircraft is revolutionary quiet and is definitely the future of operating airports in big cities.
The NASA-accredited technology combines the frame of a standard petrol aircraft with a smaller engine and just 2 lithium-ion batteries, which take just 45 minutes to charge. The all-electric plane is quieter, greener and safer.
In this aircraft, you have one switch to turn the aircraft on and one throttle lever to fly, and it's much simpler. So you don't have to worry about carb heat and all those complexities of engines.
It even has its own parachute.
You pull the big red handle, massive parachute shoots out the roof from a rocket, and the whole aircraft actually lands on that parachute.
Commercial flights to Rottnest are in the pipeline, promising a cheaper alternative to the ferry. But for now, this 2-seater is being used to train our future pilots.
It's more comfortable as well, with the vibration is less, the heating is less with inside the cabin. It's also very stable and safe aircraft, so peace of mind.
And it's going to be the most cost-efficient plane on the market for pilot training, costing just $3 to fully charge, whereas a plane of a similar size usually costs around $40 to fuel up.
At the moment, it costs you $200,000 or more to get a commercial licence. In the near future, we're going to see that come way down as we swap to electric aircraft throughout training schools.
Kelly Haywood, 9 News.